Closing function of 30 days workshop cum production on the benefit of Thang Ta for women's organized by the Cultural Research and Training Institute CRTI under the aegis of Cultural Function and Production Grant Scheme CFPGS of Ministry of Culture was held at Tang Ching Ning Tho Flower School, Thoubal today. The function was attended by Director of Huyen Ladong Manipur Thang Ta Cultural Association Irilbung, Padma Shri K. Sanathoiba, Headmaster of Tang Ching Ning Tho Flower School, and Bishwarjit, and Assistant Professor of Waikomani Girls College Thoubal El Sanatombi as the main guests. The function was marked by distribution of certificates to the participants and Thang Ta performances. Speaking on the occasion, Padma Shri K. Sanathoiba emphasized on the historical, cultural and social significance of Thang Ta as an art form. He also highlighted the association of Thang Ta in the different rituals performed from birth till death of a person and gave insights on the rules and discipline of the art form.
Nipan kulimbagi sanabi ma itogi samas nirapa sumba nipari kulimbagi sanabi si masi matung ina kaji thedu laga nupi su nipari manava thakmada puraknaba onabada edi yamna maru oiba ngasigi Thang Ta asinasu nupi singdaida mathau ma sangani mathau ma hapigani habagi hajawadu thamjari adumani hojik chapatpa samajam praphataragani nipa nupi ani mokse tho manav changi haribasi lana onabada ekoi gi isani iran nujariba ekoi khunai su semakpa da thudang lorokliba ekoi lepa ga su kalakliba Thang Tai mai se masi ekoi yokhatpa ekoi taminaba tungpuri lehonaba punaminaba madi horokliba angang sing nipa macha oro nupi macha oro angang pudi mokse Thang Tai mai se tam machang ya bisi ai thamjari